The girls went 3-1 at the recent Angelo State tournament. Talk about the play of your girls down there.
We did well. You know, the typical struggles that you have in the beginning of the year, you know, ball control, just trying to get everybody enough reps. We got a lot of different people playing time. But overall, it was a successful weekend. We served very well, we passed well, and we played very scrappy defense. So overall, it was a good weekend for them.
You were able to beat the 25th ranked team in the country, Abilene Christian, in 3 sets.
Yeah, that was a phenomenal game for our girls. They wanted this really bad. I think the higher the level of competition, the more they want it. We passed so well, and we served them off the court, and that was the biggest thing. We kept them out of system. We kept the ball out of their big hitters in the middle. They weren't able to get it to them, and we were just able to, you know, the scores were close, but we pretty much had control of the match the entire time, and just Ellie was hitting well, Sept was hitting well. Our middles were doing a great job. Brittany Flynn did a great job with Libero. So it was just a great match for the girls. That was our best match by far for the season so far.
And Gina Booth was able to go over 1,000 kills for her career. A pretty important milestone for her, becoming only the 12th athlete in Edinboro history to do that.
Yeah. Right now, she's our go-to hitter, to tell you the truth. She pretty much, at times, they're going to be asked to carry the team on her back. And at times, this past weekend, she did. Last weekend, she did. So she handles pressure very well. And I'm happy for her. I'm glad she got that big mark for her. And she only wants more. So she constantly just wants to be set, and she just wants to bang away at the ball, and that's what she does best. So.
And now you start conference play with the PSAC Crossover this weekend.
Yeah. You know, it's always important anytime you're playing anything in conference. So we have some tough matches this weekend, and we'll prepare this week for some bigger blocks maybe, and just, you know, anything that's in region is important. So it's always pressure for the girls, and they have to be ready to perform. So.